everybody. So I wanted to show you guys something. I get a lot of questions about this. When you're trying to do the Moss activities, a lot of times it'll come up and it'll say there'll be an error because it'll say that the screen is too big or something, the product is too large, or it'll give you kind of an odd error code. If you go up here to the right hand corner where there's these three dots, you click here, you go down to the zoom and you reduce your zoom to 70%. That will allow you to see the whole screen and it'll remove that error. So I just wanted to kind of give you a little, I wanted to show you, because I get a lot of questions about this. So just pop over here and change this to, 70%, 67%, whatever you need to do so that it shows your whole screen. Mine sits at 80 pretty much commonly, but I have a larger screen than the Chromebooks, and that's an issue that we've run into. If you have any other questions, let me know, but that's a little tutorial on how to expand or reduce your screen so that you can see all of the Moss activities.